Good evening, students. Myself Vishesh Saxena. Today in class of economics, we discuss a very interesting topics, forms of market. Further expanding it into detail, we know about the basic concepts, terminologies regarding what is the market, what are the various types of market. What basically the market is a very common definition. Market is a place where the buyer and seller interact with each other, sharing their needs in consideration of money. Whatever the product and services produced by the seller, provided to the buyer for his or her satisfaction, consumption, and in exchange with that, the center point is money. The money is being exchanged between the two parties for the consideration of the product. Market is all about that it is being located in each and every city. The buyers come, purchase of his product or services according to his or her requirement, given the money to the seller. In exchange with that, the seller provide him the commodity, either it is being a product or the services. Why I am mentioning this product and services is all about sometimes the individual go for purchasing of the services, sometimes the individual go for the product marketing. So it is being depends upon the his or her needs. Now we further discuss about that in a market there are two parties, buyer and sellers. The consideration is being there for the commodity, and in exchange between these two parties, the focus is all about the money. Seller produce the things in return of anticipation of money from the buyer. Buyer purchase the thing for his or her own satisfaction. Now we further discuss what are the different types of market. First is the local market. What the local market is all about? As the term says that local market, it is located in each and every part of the city. In this particular market, the buyer comes, purchase of his products and services for his or her consumption in exchange of money. Next is all about the domestic market. What the term domestic is all about? According to the territorial boundaries of our nation. Like we all know that in India, we also depend upon some commodities in the form of the raw material for manufacturing a product. If we take an example of Agra, Agra is being famous for leather products. Its leather transferred to different parts of the cities for manufacturing of shoes, purse and all that. So the domestic market is all about cater to the needs of the domestic individual located in a geographical corner of our city. Next is international market. International market is all about that relationship between two countries. Like we all know, each and every country focusing on its exports and imports, because exports and imports are very important for the development of any nation. Because if a country increases its exports, more and more foreign direct participation comes in the economy, that increases the foreign exchange of a nation. Now we further studied about the different forms of the market structure according to our syllabus, that what the different form of the market structure, how it impacts the buyers and all. First form of the market structure is perfect competition. What the perfect competition is all about? In this type of market structure, basically it is not applicable in the real life, because the factors that you studied in this market, you analyze that this is not practically possible in the real life. The first feature of this market is that homogeneous products. It is possible in this practical world that all the producers, all the manufacturers, all the corporate companies are manufacturing a similar products? No. Second feature is the prices of the products are remain same in this market. It is possible? No, because in present competitive market, different producers charging the different prices of different product or services manufactured by him. Third thing is that large number of buyer and sellers. Large number of buyers and sellers. Next is, in this firm is a price taker, not a price maker. So this form of the market structure, it is not practically possible in this form of the scenario. It is a hypothetical situation. On the basis of these conditions or features, we analyze that this form of the market is not practically possible in this present competitive world. Now, we move towards the next form of the market structure is monopolistic competition, or in the other words, we can say that imperfect competition. Monopolistic competition or imperfect competition. What this market structure is all about? In this form of the market competition, the different products manufactured by the different seller, they are close substitute, but in terms of the technology, they are different. In terms of the features, they are different. Like for example, both the LG, Sony, Haier manufacturing televisions, but the concept of technology, the concept of the features, their structure, whatever the product they manufacture is being different. They are more manufacturing the televisions, but the concept of the technology part is being different. LG is using the different technology, like for example the golden eye concept. Sony is being using about the different concept, Haier is being using about the different concept. So both the three companies are manufacturing the same product, but their ideology regarding the technology concept they are manufacturing is different. In this form of the market structure, this is practically possible. Firms are producing identical products, but they are different in terms of the technological aspects. Second point is no restriction of new firms. In this form of the market structure, if any firm wants to enter into the market, there is no restrictions regarding that. Third point is that independent price policy. Each and every firm producing the product is same, like manufacturing of the televisions, but in terms of technology, in terms of the other features, they are different, and in terms of the pricing policy also, they are different. LG having its own price structure, Sony is having its own price structure, Haier is having its own price structure. So this form of the market structure is practically possible because in this the consumer has a wide choice. There is a wider range of competition between the different producer for catching up the market, increasing their market share or scenario. Now, the next form of the market structure that we must focusing on, that is monopoly. Monopoly. As the name suggests, what the monopoly is all about, a single seller constitutes the whole market scenario. He is the whole soul structure and he manages the prices according to his or her own way. In this single seller and no close substitute, because in this firm the entry of another new firm is totally restricted. Another form of the market structure that we have, it is in asking you in short questions, that oligopoly and duopoly. What this is all about? In oligopoly, there are few firms competing with each other. Like for example, cement industries. In cement industries, there are few companies who are manufacturing the products. They have competition with each other. So this is the form of the market structure of the oligopoly. Another is duopoly. What the duopoly is all about? The duopoly is two firms are selling in the market for their products. Like for example, Pepsi and Coke. So this is all about the forms of the market structure that we must know according to our syllabus point of view. Thank you all.